Making any financial decision, understanding opportunity cost is crucial. Opportunity cost refers to what you give up when you choose one option over another. Before you commit your money, it's important to pause and reflect on the alternatives. In this video, we'll walk through the essential questions you should ask yourself before making a choice that involves opportunity cost. By the end, you'll be better equipped to make smart, informed money decisions that align with your goals and values. Start by defining opportunity cost in simple terms. It's the value of the next best alternative you forego when you make a decision. For example, if you spend money on a new phone, the opportunity cost might be the vacation you can't take because you used those funds elsewhere. Recognizing this concept helps you weigh your options more carefully and avoid regret later. Always remember, every choice has a cost, even if it's not immediately obvious. Before making a financial decision, ask yourself, what are my alternatives? List out all the possible options you could take with your money. Sometimes the best choice isn't the most obvious one. By considering all alternatives, you ensure you're not overlooking a potentially better use of your resources. This step is essential for making thoughtful, well-rounded decisions. Every decision comes with a trade-off. Ask yourself, what will I have to give up if I choose this option? This could be another purchase, an experience, or even future financial security. Being honest about what you're sacrificing helps you understand the true cost of your decision and prevents surprises down the road. It's important to clarify your priorities before making a money decision. Ask yourself, what matters most to me right now? Is it saving for the future, enjoying life today, or investing in personal growth? Your priorities will guide your choices and help you determine which opportunity cost is most acceptable to you. Consider whether your decision offers short-term satisfaction or long-term benefits. Sometimes, spending money now brings immediate joy, but saving or investing could lead to greater rewards in the future. Weighing these factors helps you make choices that support your overall financial well-being. Ask yourself how your decision will impact your financial goals. Will spending this money move you closer to or further from your objectives? Whether you're saving for a house, planning a trip, or building an emergency fund, every choice should support your bigger picture. Evaluate whether your intended purchase or investment is truly the best use of your money. Sometimes, a little research or reflection reveals a better option. Don't settle for the first idea that comes to mind, explore alternatives and compare their potential benefits. Every financial decision carries some risk. Ask yourself, what could go wrong if I choose this option? Understanding the risks involved helps you prepare for possible setbacks and make more resilient choices. It's better to be aware of potential downsides before you commit. Some decisions are easy to reverse while others are permanent. Before you act, consider how difficult it would be to change your mind later. This can influence how much risk you're willing to take and how carefully you need to plan. Think about the potential return on your investment or purchase. Will this decision bring you value, happiness, or growth? Sometimes, spending money on education or experiences can offer returns that go beyond dollars and cents. It's easy to get excited about new opportunities, but always ask, can I truly afford this? Review your budget and financial situation before making a commitment. Avoid stretching yourself too thin or taking on unnecessary debt. Your financial decisions can impact more than just yourself. Consider how your choice might affect your family, friends, or business partners. Responsible decision-making takes into account the well-being of those around you. Sometimes, a decision seems simple on the surface but comes with hidden costs. These could be maintenance fees, time commitments, or emotional stress. Take a moment to think about any extra expenses or obligations that might come with your choice. Emotions can strongly influence our money decisions. Ask yourself if you're making a choice based on excitement, fear, or pressure. Taking a step back to reflect can help you make more rational, thoughtful decisions. Before committing to a financial decision, make sure you've gathered enough information. Research your options, compare prices, and read reviews. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make a wise choice. Consider how much time you have to make your decision. Are you facing a deadline, or can you afford to wait and think things through? Sometimes, taking extra time leads to better outcomes and less regret. Ask yourself if your decision aligns with your personal values and beliefs. Spending money in ways that reflect who you are can bring greater satisfaction and peace of mind. Now, bring it all together by clearly identifying the opportunity cost. What exactly are you giving up by making this choice? Naming the opportunity cost helps you see the full picture and make more intentional decisions. Sometimes, waiting before making a decision can be beneficial. Ask yourself if you can delay your choice to gather more information or see if your priorities change. Patience can often lead to better outcomes. Consulting experts or seeking advice from trusted sources can provide valuable insights. Whether it's a financial advisor, a mentor, or a knowledgeable friend, getting a second opinion can help you avoid mistakes and make more confident decisions. Decide how you'll measure the success of your decision. Is it financial gain, personal satisfaction, or achieving a specific goal? Knowing your criteria for success helps you evaluate your choices more objectively. Some financial decisions can affect your taxes. Ask yourself if your choice will have any tax consequences, and if so, how they might impact your overall financial picture. Consulting a tax professional can be helpful here. Timing can make a big difference in financial decisions. Ask yourself if waiting for a sale, a bonus, or a better market condition could improve your outcome. Sometimes, patience pays off. Sometimes, your intuition can be a valuable guide. If something doesn't feel right, take a step back and reconsider. Trusting your instincts along with rational analysis can help you avoid decisions you might regret. Imagine how you'll feel about your decision in the future. Will you be satisfied or might you regret it? Thinking ahead can help you make choices that you'll be happy with in the long run. Life is unpredictable and circumstances can change quickly. Ask yourself how your decision would hold up if your income, expenses, or goals shift. Flexibility is key to making resilient financial choices. When evaluating options, make sure you're comparing similar things. Sometimes, choices look alike on the surface but have important differences. Dig deeper to ensure your comparisons are fair and accurate. Consider the broader social impact of your decision. Will it support your community, promote sustainability, or have negative consequences for others? Responsible money choices take the bigger picture into account. Reflect on past decisions where opportunity cost played a role. What did you learn from those experiences? Applying lessons from the past can help you make better choices in the present. Prepare yourself by considering the worst-case scenario. If things don't go as planned, can you handle the consequences? Being realistic about risks helps you make decisions with confidence. Set up a system to track the results of your decision. Whether it's a budget, a spreadsheet, or a journal, monitoring your progress helps you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. Think about all the resources required for your decision, not just money, but also time, energy, and knowledge. Make sure you're prepared to commit what's necessary for success. Some decisions involve a single payment while others require ongoing expenses. Clarify whether your choice will lead to recurring costs and factor that into your decision-making process. Some financial decisions have legal consequences. Make sure you understand any contracts, regulations, or obligations involved. When in doubt, seek legal advice to protect yourself. Consider whether your decision fits your current lifestyle and habits. Will it add value to your daily life or create stress and inconvenience? Choose options that support your well-being. Always have a backup plan in case things don't work out as expected. Knowing your alternatives gives you peace of mind and helps you recover quickly from setbacks. Trends can be tempting, but they're not always the best choice for you. Ask yourself if you're making a decision just because it's popular or if it truly fits your needs and goals. Think about how your decision affects the environment. Responsible choices can help protect natural resources and support a sustainable future. Every little bit counts when it comes to making a positive impact. If your choice affects others, plan how you'll communicate your decision. Clear, honest communication can prevent misunderstandings and build trust with those involved. Identify the support you might need to follow through on your decision. This could be advice, encouragement, or practical help from others. Don't be afraid to reach out and build a support network. Visualize the best possible outcome of your decision. What would success look like? Focusing on positive possibilities can motivate you to take action and pursue your goals with confidence. Plan how you'll celebrate when your decision pays off. Recognizing your achievements, no matter how small, can boost your confidence and encourage positive habits for the future. After making your decision, take time to reflect on what you've learned from the process. Every experience, whether successful or not, offers valuable lessons for future choices. Continuous learning is key to financial growth. Making smart money decisions means asking the right questions before you act. By considering opportunity cost and reflecting on your options, you can avoid regret and make choices that truly benefit you. Remember, every financial decision is an opportunity to learn, grow, and move closer to your goals. Stay curious, stay thoughtful, and keep making choices that align with your values and dreams.